जैसे आपके हैंड्स, आपके लेग्स, आपकी ही बॉडी के पार्ट्स हैं, वैसे ही आप, आपकी लाइफ, आपकी सोल इस यूनिवर्स का पार्ट है। अगर आपके फेस पर एक मच्छर बैठा हो, उसे भगाने के लिए आपका ब्रेन आपके हैंड को सिग्नल भेजता है और तुरंत वो हैंड आपके फेस पर चला जाता है उस मच्छर को भगा देने के लिए। वैसे ही अगर आपके मन से कोई भी स्ट्रॉन्ग डिज़ायर आती है तो यूनिवर्स उस डिज़ायर को तभी उसी समय आपको ग्रांट कर देता है। यूनिवर्स तभी आपको तथास्तु बोल देता है। इसका मतलब डिज़ायर पूरी तो उसी समय हो जाती है लेकिन आपको मिलती नहीं है। डू यू नो वाई? बिकॉज यू आर नॉट इन द रिसीविंग मोड टू एक्सेप्ट इट. For example, if we are playing throw the ball game and I am throwing a ball at you, but if you don't move your hands up in the air to catch that ball, then how on earth are you going to get that ball? और यही सबसे बड़ी गलती आप करते हैं अपने मैनिफेस्टेशन में। आप मांग तो लेते हैं, वो मांग पूरी भी हो जाती है, लेकिन आप उसे रिसीव नहीं कर पाते। सो आफ्टर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो, you will be empowered with the knowledge of why you are not in the receiving mode and how to be in the receiving mode to manifest your desires fast, and the bonus tips to follow daily to manifest just the way I did. The biggest secret to attracting whatever you want from the universe is that the more happier you feel, the faster your desires will be fulfilled. See, every thought that comes in your mind holds certain vibration in it. जो थॉट जितना हाई वाइब्रेशन का होता है उतनी ही जल्दी वो यूनिवर्स की फ्रीक्वेंसी से अलाइन होता है और आपका वो थॉट रियलिटी में चेंज हो जाता है। अब चाहे वो नेगेटिव थॉट हो या पॉजिटिव, लेकिन अगर वो थॉट पूरी चाह से आपके मन से आता है तो डेफिनेटली पूरा होता है। इमोशंस एंड फीलिंग्स आर योर व्हीकल्स टू मेक योर डिज़ायर रीच टू द यूनिवर्स। आप जितना उदास और जितना निराश फील करोगे उतना ही आपके वाइब्रेशंस लो लेवल के होंगे और आपके इमोशंस का व्हीकल आपके डिज़ायर्स को यूनिवर्स तक नहीं पहुंचा पाएगा। बट आप जितना हैप्पी और पॉजिटिव फील करोगे उतना ही आपके इमोशंस की कार में फ्यूल बढ़ेगा और वो बहुत तेज़ी से आपकी डिज़ायर्स को यूनिवर्स तक पहुँचाकर उसे रियलिटी में कन्वर्ट करवा देगा। योर डिज़ायर repel you if you are sad all the time, and your desires would like to come in your reality as soon as possible if you be happy all the time. So you are not in the receiving mode because your emotions and the way you feel on the day-to-day basis is not matching up with the higher frequency of the universe. Now, in order to manifest your desires fast, you need to know how to be in the receiving mode. See, as I told you, you need to feel happy and be happy. This is the only way to manifest your desires. No matter how much gyan you take from people on the manifestation, but if you do not fix your internal machine of feelings, you won't be able to manifest any desires of yours. My words may sound harsh, but they are true. तो आप हर समय खुश कैसे रह सकते हो? हाउ टू बी हैप्पी ऑल द टाइम? आई कैन गिव यू प्लेन क्लीशे एडवाइस कि थिंक पॉजिटिव थॉट्स एंड यू विल बी हैप्पी, बट इट इज ईजियर सेड देन डन. Negativity has grown deeper inside you and it will not go away just like that. But I will try my level best through this video to make you realize that the very nature of a human being is to be happy. Think it like this: happiness is equal to you. अब ये possible कैसे हो, इसके लिए I am going to give you some tips. Number 1. Stop finding happiness in others. The moment you make your happiness condition based, you lose its essence. The biggest mistake that we make in being happy is that we try to find it in others. We try to find it in the situation and we try to look for it in the materialistic things. Girlfriend सोचती है कि बस एक बार मेरे बॉयफ्रेंड से मेरा पैचअप हो जाए तो मैं खुश हो जाऊंगी, या बस एक बार मैं ये लग्जरी बैग परचेज कर लूँ तो इससे मैं खुश हो जाऊंगी. If wealth and materialistic things truly brought happiness, then every rich person in the world would be happy. But ऐसा नहीं है. The moment you change your perspective from seeing happiness as just a feeling to making it your very nature, that will be the moment your desires hop on your vehicle of emotion and come to you really fast from the universe. अब बात आती है कि ये पर्सपेक्टिव चेंज कैसे करें. सुन तो लिया है ये बात, बट प्रैक्टिकली लाइफ में फॉलो कैसे हो? आई हैव अ हैक फॉर यू. विजिट अ हॉस्पिटल. This Sunday, instead of going to the mall for some fun, visit a nearby hospital. When you go there and observe that you are not paralyzed, you are not suffering from cancer, your relatives are not crying because of your illness, and you are not in the operation theater because of a road accident, you will feel so lucky to be alive and healthy. In that moment, you will be filled with gratitude towards the universe. That very moment will be the point of your perspective shift from complaining to being thankful for whatever you have. that will be the time when you will attain real happiness and welcome your desires into your life. Now, the second is stop delaying your happiness. Most of the time, people aren't happy because they make their happiness time based and conditional. For example, they might think, I don't have time to be happy right now. I'm really busy building my own dreams. Once I earn enough money and settle down with the love of my life, then I'll be happy. All the time you are doing this, and that's why you are not happy and not able to manifest your desires. It's a vicious cycle, can't you see? You tie your happiness to a specific desire, but that desire doesn't manifest because your low vibration isn't aligning with the high vibrations of the universe, which makes you frustrated. But if you make a little change and choose to be happy first, then your desires will automatically reach to the universe. You'll be dealing with high vibrational happiness, making the process of manifestation fast and easy for you. Now, what is the hack for it? लिव इन द मोमेंट. अब ये करना बहुत मुश्किल होगा. क्लीशे एडवाइस दूंगी कि माइंडफुलनेस प्रैक्टिस करो, मेडिटेट करो, तो उससे तो बिल्कुल काम नहीं चलेगा. इसीलिए ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस. व्हेन यू आर अवेक, यू आर जनरली इन टू स्टेट्स. Either you are doing something, that means working, or you are not doing something, that means you are just relaxing or sitting idle. But whether you are working or not, all the time your thoughts related to past and futures are running in your mind. You are never present in that very present moment. All we need to do is to bring our consciousness to the present moment. So to bring yourself in the present moment, when you are working, put all your attentions on that particular task. If you are watching TV, just watch TV with full attention. Don't think about your pending work or feel guilty about not working. If you are gossiping, just gossip. Don't think about cleaning the house at that time. Similarly, if you are doing office work, just do the office work. Don't think about what you are going to have for dinner at that time. By focusing entirely on the present moment, you stop thoughts of the past and future from bothering you. This practice connects you to the higher frequency of the universe, allowing you to manifest your desires effortlessly. Now, I will be giving you a quick step-by-step process that you have to follow daily, along with being in the state of happiness to manifest your desire fast. As I promised, it's a bonus step. Now, what do you want to manifest? Most of the time, we struggle to manifest because we are not clear about what we truly desire. For example, if your husband desires to buy a car this year and you adopt the same desire without considering whether you truly want to manifest a car, a baby, or a house, so you may face confusion and struggle to manifest. That's why you need to be really clear on what your true desire is. And the link which is flashing on your screen right now is the video in which I explain how to fill out a simple table to help you determine what you want to manifest in just 10 minutes. Do watch this video to gain clarity on your desires and manifest them effectively. Now, the second is to practice the law of zero thought. Just as your thoughts play a crucial role in manifesting your desires, if you don't have a thought, how can you have a desire to manifest? Similarly, reaching a point where you have no thought becomes essential in manifestation. Most of the times, people make the mistake of becoming overly dependent on their thought. They keep writing and writing, forgetting that to manifest the desires effectively, it is equally important to put your mind in a state of zero thought for at least 15 minutes daily. The more, the better. Now, if you are wondering how to achieve this state without sitting for hours in manifestation, the link to this video is flashing on your screen right now. Be sure to check it out in order to manifest your desires fast by being in the state of zero thought. Now, the third is to transfer the desire from your conscious mind to your subconscious mind. Our mind has two parts. One is the conscious mind and the other one is the subconscious mind. All the time we use our conscious mind, which has only 10% of capability to turn our desires into reality. And subconscious mind that we use only 10% of the times, that too unknowingly, has 90% of the capability to turn our desires into reality. So to manifest your desire, you should daily transfer your desires from conscious to your subconscious mind. Now, how can you transfer your desires from your conscious to your subconscious mind? I have explained it in this video, so make sure to watch this video out. So all the three videos that I have just mentioned are very essential in the manifestation process. This video was all about how to be happy, and that is also equally important, but the three links that I just mentioned are the different steps that you have to take in your manifestation process. So if you are really serious about manifesting your desires, first try to be in the state of happiness by following the tips that I have just given in this video, and then you can watch the other three videos to be a little more pro in your manifestation process. Because you know what, manifestation is a art and it comes with the practice. The more you practice this art daily, the better you will be in the manifestation techniques. सी मैनिफेस्टेशन इज नो चमत्कार जो किसी झाड़ फूक के होने के बाद होता है. इट इज़ द प्योर साइंस दैट विल वर्क फॉर यू व्हेन यू अंडरस्टैंड द फंडामेंटल्स ऑफ मैनिफेस्टेशन. इन दिस वीडियो आई हैव ओनली ट्राइड टू मेक यू अंडरस्टैंड द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ द मैनिफेस्टेशन इन द सिंपलेस्ट वर्ड्स पॉसिबल. सो इफ you have come to this extent in the video, then I'm sure that you must have liked it. Do not forget to give the thumbs up to this video and also subscribe Natural Bonds for turning your desires into reality fast. This is Akshita signing off.